Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in Poundcake. I took a while to jump on the bandwagon with the Huda Beauty setting powder. Everyone's been raving about it. I see it in everyone's makeup artistry kit. I see it in everyone's makeup skin routine. And I said to myself, I was going to be going to Sicily. I knew there was going to be a Sephora. If I find it, and if I'm lucky enough, I said I'm going to grab it, I'm going to try it out for myself, and I'm going to give an honest review. Now, I've had this for, I would say, when did we go to Sicily? We went to Sicily, is it end of July? So we're in end of September, so I've had it for 2 months now. I have actually used it quite a bit. Currently I have it on right now. It's amazing as everyone says it is. Obviously now there's the new foundation, and she does mention that this will go great with the foundation and the primer. I can't wait to try that foundation. That foundation looks bomb. But again, I think is it full coverage? I can't remember. This powder is amazing. Now obviously, let's be honest, it is a baking and setting powder, so if you don't like to bake, you can use this with a loose brush and just put it all over to set your makeup. I do live in a very hot climate. I always have to make sure that whatever I buy for myself or for my makeup kit is for this weather. If we had the UK weather, we wouldn't have an issue, but for the hot climate weather, we need sweat proof, waterproof. We need something that's really, really intense, something that will bake, something that will keep the makeup on, something that will not sweat it off. And this is one that I needed badly. Now, I took a long while to get it, but then again, my kit is being built at the moment, so I'm like rebuilding my makeup kit, if you're not aware, and I know this is going to be a product I'm going to love. So if you're looking for something that is full coverage, you want to have that amazing under eye baking, there's no flashback, this is amazing. So I love this because I actually obviously use this not through this. I actually decant this onto a palette for obvious reasons, because obviously I do want to use this for my makeup artistry as well, so I want to be able to like decant some of this as well for my kit. The smell is really nice actually as well. It's got a scent, so you do have to check with your clients if they're okay with the scent. The scent's really gorgeous. I really like the scent, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, I've seen on socials that she did come out with a perfume for it as well, which was insane. So yes, it's Easy Bake Loose Powder. I normally go with the Laura Mercier translucent powder, but this, honey, this has taken its space. I'm constantly using it myself. Definitely have to try the other shades. Honest opinion, this is amazing. I can't really say anything bad about the product. It's amazing. If you want really baked under eyes, pack it on. Very easy. It actually does give you some information how to bake as well on the back. So if you're new to it, she does go through everything. She doesn't leave anything out. Again, absorb shine, no flashback. That's something you need to try and look for, especially when you're doing makeup and you're doing bridal. We can't have a flashback. So I just want to pop on here and just do a quick review on this. I love it. Can't wait to get more shades, and you need to try it. That's just my opinion on the Huda Beauty Loose Powder Easy Bake. I know there's so many more things that I want to try from Huda, but I'm so glad I managed to get this. This is a godsend. You need to try it. You need to try it. If you want to show you what it looks like and how you can do it, I can just show you quickly. I'm going to put some on the palette here in front of me, and I can show you how easy it is done with a puff. So you just grab and you literally just pop it on underneath. Now you see the cast, you can leave that under there whilst you're doing your eye makeup, for example, and then all you need to do is let that sit for a little bit, and then with a brush you're just going to swipe that away. Now it's really good to get into the lines, making sure you don't forget anything. And yeah, I do really love this. Then all I do is I just grab a brush and just brush away any excess. I really love the scent of this loose powder. If there's anyone who doesn't like the scent, I don't know what planet you're on, but it's amazing. I really love it. And if I'm not mistaken, they've actually repackaged, but they've changed the logo branding, which is insane. So I think this is the old packaging now. But yeah, very easy to use, and you don't need to be a makeup artist to use it. It's very easy to use. Again, I would say I'd give it maybe an 8 out of 10, but I have yet to try something as good as this. That's just my opinion. Hope you guys enjoyed this little mini review. Thumbs up if you did, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I will see you very soon with another video.